See, I got them balls working. I know they work. Those will be going on the Bonneville for a shit show. The Benz blinker, baby. Coming soon. Benz blinker on the Bonneville.
Up in this bitch, I got my stunner frames on. Bad bitches call my phone. They won't leave me alone. I'm on my MC Hammer shit. Bitch, I'm too legit to quit. Player T was broke as fuck. I found a plug and caught some fish. I like my bitches chocolate. I fuck her like a robot Optimus. We had a threesome with a friend. We in bed looking like an octopus. Hell nah, ain't no stopping me, nigga. So move over. I'm chilling with your bitch on the date with drinking mimosas. Nigga, don't you approach us. Get your ass stomped out just like roaches. With this dope, I'm bringing back hope. I'm spilling water just like a Moses. Rap game open the door, cause player T has been chosen. Got my stunner frames on in my neck and wrist sitting on frozen with my stunner frames. My stunner frame. My stunner frames. My stunner frame. My stunner frame. My stunner frame. My stunner frames. My stunner frame. Come on. My stunner frames. My stunner frame. My stunner frames. My stunner frame. My stunner frame. My stunner frame. My stunner frame.
Coming to a 94 Bonneville near you. The Benz blinker light. I pulled them from the yard today. Yeah, it's time to get to what I know. KQ Custom Work, baby. That's my name, KQ Custom. I'm finna show y'all why I'm KQ Custom. It's the passenger side of the Benz. Yep. I'm finna cut, chop, and mold on my mirrors, which is those. This is what's gonna come to y'all right there. Turn signals on the mirrors, baby. The Benz. Yes, sir. That's how I'm coming at y'all. Just like that. I got both of them. This the other side that ain't lit up. This the driver's side here. That's how we gonna look when we off. That's how we gonna look when we on. Y'all finna see why I'm called KQ Custom. Yes, sir. Pulled them from the yard today. I had to catch them before somebody else took them. I got them. Yes, sir. KQ Custom finna work, man. You see that right there, John? He fucking up my little vlog, man. You see that right there? You see where it's marked at? That's where it's got to be shaved. I got the bezel off that motherfucker. I got this part coming off, the front part. He probably looking at this shit like, what the fuck you got going on? Everything that's black, I'm finna chop that just a little bit. This is the part on the whole light setup. So I'm gonna mold this bitch in like that. So I'm gonna build this mirror with this molded cone glass, fiberglass. Mold that bitch in like that, huh? But it's gonna sit in there better. So I got that shit like that, right? I'm gonna come with some shit. Yeah, I'm finna hurt some shit this summer. You know, some shit I done did. Be proud of it. Me and my boy John was at the yard on these. John called me up, told me he was at the yard. That nigga was getting a sunroof. And shit, he was in my town, so I pulled up on him. He helped me get the Benz blinkers out of the Benz at the yard, you know what I'm saying? Pop that bitch out. I got them for a good old. And this is not the mirrors that's on there. This is an extra set of mirrors I had for that Bonnie. So this some shit I'm playing with, and I'm finna just build to show y'all how you could take little something into nothing and make it look like $1 million. That's what But I think it's gonna turn out pretty dope when I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Another little KQ custom shit that just another life in KQ, something I'm coming up with. So I'm gonna have to mold the bottom. I'm gonna have to mold the top to that, and maybe the side. I'm thinking, should I cut in there so I can drop that in a little bit more, make it flesh? But either way, I'm gonna have to build to this. So that's that. I didn't hack that up and chop that out like a motherfucker. This how it started out. It was the whole beans, you know what I'm saying? The whole beans, bleach the whole top. Shout out to my boy John. I didn't chop it down to that. You know what I'm saying? That's the driver, and this is my custom passenger when I'm building that. But yeah, it started whole like that, and I'm finna hack them boys down and mold them off in there. I'm telling y'all, this the mirror part. I might come back and put that in. Yeah, I come back in there, put that in. That's a in the inside of this ring right here. That's how much I hacked that motherfucker. Like the mirror part in this. And then I got this part coming off. See that? Yeah, I stripped this bitch all the way down. I gotta do a little bit more cutting in there, but the mirrors did go in there like that. But I broke up a whole bunch of shit too. But sometimes you gotta do that to get what you know what I'm saying? To what you're looking for, what you're trying to build. Still got that shit in there sitting the wrong way. But yeah, I'm gonna have to build a whole another like flow for that, a backing plate that'll be inside of that. You know what I'm saying? Give you the game, my nigga. One time. Shade all that out. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm telling y'all, I broke this down. I broke the whole entire mirror down. This is the ring of the front part of that. The mirror go inside of that. I'm gonna have to build it that. But it's gonna be a whole bunch of fiberglass and body working, molding and shit like that. And then I'm gonna have to repeat on the driver's side mirror. Repeat the process on the passenger. My nigga told me I couldn't do it. This is my original Bonneville mirror, and I just got the tape on here just to show you when if I body work it with the fiberglass or whatever to lock it in. That just showing you how I molded the side light in there, and I'm still not even done. From the actual mirror, I chopped it down and got some shit like this, and that's my actual mirror. So it'll put it behind the black. It'll look like that on the car coming down to you. That's the side. Let me put the ring on. Look at that shit. That's how that mirror sit. Inside, outside, but all red. Man, stop playing with me, man. Oh, what y'all see green, them niggas gonna fill it up, probably with fiberglass. Or plastic like I did that part. I see the outside, all that was filled in with plastic. I still got that little space in there, but shit, that's coming. You stop playing with me. Of course, right there will be higher. I'll make that smooth as hell. No gaps in it. That bitch mount to my dope. Wall that bitch up. Psst, niggas would know what to do. Man, stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, man. What's wrong with you, Jack? Yeah, that's what that look like. Same nigga that was hating on me, look.